Hey look, here's how to find if any element of a list appears in a column of lists in Python. First, import pandas. Now, let's make an example data frame. Now, let's make an example list. Let's set the result to isMatch. To find the matches, type df and the column name. Then .apply. Then create a lambda function. Now put the names list in a set and x in a set. Find the intersection of them and convert the result to a bool. And that's it. Getting the size of a variable in one line in Python. First, import sys. Let's set a variable x. Then use the function sys.getSizeOfX. It also works for strings. It also works for lists. It probably works for other data types. And that's it. Getting the memory used by a data frame in one line in Python. First, import pandas. Here's an example data frame. Then say df memory usage deep equals true. Sum across only the positive values in a list of columns in one line in Python. Here's an example. Import pandas. Here's a data frame. Here's a list of columns to sum across. Then say df positive sum equals df columns to sum dot where df columns to sum greater than 0 dot sum access equals 1. And that's it. Get a string with today's date in one line in Python. Here's an example. First, import pandas. Then say date string equals pd.timestamp.today.strftime %y%m%d. And that's it. Want to see it again? Just press like and here you go.